Hi everyone. I have reset the drops in the Willow Tree Waltz, partly because I lent out my copy and the drops are in the copy that Ariel has. So I want everybody to be alerted that in our drop game, I'm going to ask for the following drops. And I recommend that you actually memorize, like drop 1 is easy, right? Drop 2 is the change of hand position. That's a nice one. Drop 3 is coming back. So you see, I'm putting the drops where things are happening. And what's the difference between drop 1 and drop 3? Well, drop 3 ends. So that's how you remember drop 3 compared to drop 1. Drop 4, of course, is the minor. Drop 5, I'm putting it there because I want you to know that if you mess up, you can go on to the ending. So if you forget the beginning of the end of drop 4, then you can just jump back to it. And I added drop 6 because all else fails, you can get to here and then back to the beginning. And then, of course, drop 7 really gets you all the way through. Do you need a drop 8? If I was going to do a drop 8, I would put it on the final arpeggio. Look, if everything falls apart, you can end it, no matter where you are. Hey, that's a lot of drops. But I once had a teacher who said that you should be able to start from any note. So this is not as picky as that teacher was. Now, when I do the drops, I'm going to actually copy these drops and put them onto little Post-its or, paper, so that I'm not just calling out drop 5, but you'll actually see what the drop is. So, and then if everybody seems comfortable there, then we'll go to just saying drop 5, 6, 7. Some people like to connect the drops with an image. So let me just show you that possibility. So for instance, the drop 1 could be beginning. That's an easy drop. Drop could be G change. Drop 3 could be end of part 1. Drop 4 could be part 2. Drop 5 could be second part, drop 2 to end, which I meant to hear. And then drop 6 is E descent. Right. Finally, drop 7, it could be coda. And drop 8 is ending arpeggio. So if you find that's easier for you rather than just saying drop 5 and you go, oh man, I don't know what that is, I could say second part, part 2 to end, coda, ending arpeggio, but I'll still use those drops. So you do what's right for you, but that's going to be the game at our next class.